Here I have BLACKBERRY Key2 and let me show you how to check for updates on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's use the apps icon. Here let's choose the settings. From the list of settings you need to scroll down and choose system. Choose here system updates. Let's tap check for updates. The device is looking for available updates. In my case, my system is up to date. So everything went well, but you can also use more key and choose here settings. Here you can check the current version and you can use the automatic download using a Wi-Fi only. In my case, let me disable this for now. So right now my update will work only manually, but if you would like to go back and set it up automatically, let's use the same switcher. So that's it, everything is right here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.